Hi guys, let's talk about Indore's best medical coding course. But before going ahead, let's first understand what medical coding really is. So medical coding is the process of converting doctors' diagnosis, treatments, procedures and medical services into standardized alphanumeric codes. These codes are used for insurance claims processing, medical billing, maintaining patient records, hospital documentation, revenue cycle management. To learn this in detail, I have already mentioned the best medical coding course link in the description box. Now, whenever a patient visits a hospital, everything from consultation to lab test to surgery is recorded in codes. These codes are taken from standardized systems like ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. Medical coding professionals ensure that the correct codes are assigned to hospitals get paid accurately and insurance claims are processed smoothly. Now let me assure you, the demand for medical coding is really high. Medical coding professionals are required not just in India but also in international markets like the US, UAE and other countries. If you want to build a professional career in this field, certifications are very important. Some of the most recognized medical coding certifications are AAPC, CPC, AHIMA, CCS. These certifications increase your credibility and help you get better job opportunities, especially in international projects. Now, if you are serious about learning medical coding, then I have added a link to the best medical coding course available with a 100% job guarantee in your city in the description. Do check it out. I hope you found this video valuable. Do like, comment and share. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments. I will surely clear them.